What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something special. I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Ultra. I'm so excited. This is not something I expected to be unboxing. I'm super excited though. The packaging is beautiful on this thing. The front of it is nice and embossed, reverse embossed. I'm not sure what that's called, but it looks great. Packaging is dense. It feels very heavy. Ooh, look at this. So this is the ocean band, so it makes sense that it's ocean themed, and you got the ocean on both sides there. The back sort of lifts out. Wow. That is the coolest unboxing I've ever done so far. The attention to detail here is pretty insane. Comes with this nice book showing all the features and options of the new watch. The charger, the screen, the new button, the hidden crown, the speakers, the mics, all the features for diving, the new faces or complications, and the regulatory information. There's no stickers. This booklet's pretty cool though. They match it front and back to what's hidden behind the box. How awesome is that? Crazy attention to detail. Way to go, Apple. So the first box has the watch itself. It's raised up, has a cool feel. Not a lot to see on here. You have the branding on the side, that is titanium. All right, let's peel this thing. All right. And there you have it. You have some material here designed by Apple in California. And what do we have here? Okay, the charging cable. Oh, that's pretty nice. It's braided. Definitely high quality. Probably the nicest watch charger I've ever had. It's kind of like stuck in there, but yeah, it's very nice. It's got a good weight to it. We'll definitely be using that. And the watch itself. I know it's made out of titanium and it's supposed to be light, but it's definitely got a good weight to it. I wonder how it'll feel on the hand. The back is beautiful. The screen is massive. There you have it, folks. Huge speaker grill next to the new button. Some mic ports. The band insert location on both sides. Yeah, this thing's pretty awesome looking. And you have the band itself. I did not expect to get the blue one when I finally decided to buy it. For me, it was the nicest one that they offered. I probably will swap it out at some point. On the inside of this material, they show you how to install it. Pretty self-explanatory. This is the loop that holds the tail of the band, which goes past the buckle. Typical Apple over-engineered, which means it'll probably last forever. The band feels nice, premium. I didn't want something that would absorb water or get moldy or anything like that. So this was the right choice for me. I wonder if anything will get stuck in those holes. Just like all the other Apple Watches, slides in and clicks into place. Feels pretty solid once you get it in there. And I guess the point is you put it on and then install the buckle once you realize how much extra space you have. It was a little awkward, but it's not something you have to do all the time. Once you get it done, it should be done forever until you need to adjust the size. Feels good. The setup is just like any other watch. Pretty much bring it close to your phone, shoot their funky QR code, select the restore you want to use. So I'm using from my old watch. Once you start importing, it brings all the settings in and flip the orientation. It even migrates over your SIM plan from your other watch if it had cellular connection. Goes through all those steps and machinations. Learn a little about the watch while you're waiting. And then boom, it restored all my settings and brought everything over from my other watch. Right away, it definitely feels snappier. I had a 6 before with the GPS and the Wi-Fi, but it feels snappier for sure. So yeah, there it is. The Apple Watch Ultra. Not a purchase I expected to be, but thanks for checking this out with me today. I appreciate you stopping by. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.